Hi, hello everybody, my name is Carla, I'm from Mexico, and yeah, you're right, this is another video to know how sounds my accent. Well, first, I have been taking English classes since six months ago, and I had teachers from Chicago, Texas, and London. Today I was talking with a teacher. She is Mexican and she teaches English in another school. And when I was talking with her, she told me that she could notice a little sound or strange sound when I pronounce the T or when I pronounce some words. And she asked me if I had been traveled to other country. I said, no, why? And she said, well, because you have a little British accent. And I said, no, are you kidding me or no? Well, I'm worried about because you can notice my English and my English pronunciation is not good. And I don't want to have different accents in my voice, my Mexican accent, or British accent, or in my American accent. So I don't want when I speak people can understand or something like that. Please, I was wondering if you can give me some advice or say, oh Carla, you should improve your pronunciation, you should study more grammar, or I noticed when I saw your video you say etc. You are watching this video and you're going to know what is wrong and what is right. To be honest, English and American accents both for me sounds very good. I really like and I don't try to imitate American or British accents. The only thing I want is the people can understand me. So please don't be rude with me. And the other thing makes me really happy is watch videos of American speakers who want to speak Spanish and watch them. It's pretty nice, and I feel very happy to know people are interested to learn Spanish. So if you want to Skype with me or you want to send me an email, please write add your information, and I can also help you with your Spanish. So that's it. Thank you so much, and I wish you had a nice day.